Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Christian. Today would like to speak about what's happening on the current situation of the Bitcoin price, what I'm gonna expect as the next move of the Bitcoin. And also guys, I would like to speak at the end of the video because I saw in the previous video you loved that at the end of the video that I spoke for something general about the Bitcoin. So on this video, at the end of this video, I will speak about how by owning one Bitcoin, your life can be changed by 2025. So if you are looking to know all these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to declare you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever you're going to see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment or any kind of trade. And do not forget, guys, to check my Patreon tier, and especially this VIP Elite Soldier, because an altcoin season is very close, is on the corner, and if you're gonna see, guys, the Bitcoin dominance into big drop, which I'm expecting a lot to see that, because you can clearly see that we already broke this symmetrical triangle support and we are moving downwards. So this could be an indication that an altcoin season is on the corner. And guys, here is exactly what I'm doing. I'm actually exploit this fluctuation of the Bitcoin dominance, and I'm taking profits from altcoins. When we experience an altcoin season, I'm converting back to BTC or Ethereum, and actually when the Bitcoin dominance is gonna get to the upside, I'm investing in altcoins. And also here you're gonna find really smart investments into some altcoins that have incredible potential from 100x up to 1000x. So guys, highly recommend you to enter in this group if you are looking to build wealth. Okay, here is a serious things, not meme coins, not all this crap. We are doing real investments with real strategies. Okay, but the most important part, it's not actually the buy and sell signals, it's not actually the strategy that I follow, is actually the Telegram VIP community, because here, guys, we analyzing everything. We are helping you with whatever concern, with whatever question you have, multi-millionaires included on that group, and all together we're reviewing things that related with crypto. So highly recommend you to enter. And without losing more time, let's get back to the video. Guys, initially, as you can clearly see right now, we are standing at this $27,250, and you will notice that we didn't saw something significant since yesterday. We are moving into a consolidation phase. Nothing changed at all. We are moving from $27,100 with within $27,300 with lots of ups and downs. Right now, the last couple hours, the situation is looking more bullish, and actually, if we're gonna see a bigger pump from for the next coming hours, that will surpass the $27,500, which was the previous neckline of this double bottom. You can clearly see here. I highly believe that we're going to get straight for a retest of this big downtrend resistance line. And actually, I'm gonna put an 8-hour time frame, and you're gonna see, guys, here that we have a very significant resistance, which is exactly approximately the $28,000. And if you're gonna see, guys, the Bitcoin at $28,000, there is a big probability to break this resistance. And if this resistance is gonna break, guys, this could be a massive move, because also this $28,000, as you can clearly see here, this blue line is actually a very strong daily resistance, which we had experienced that many times the previous weeks. And I had told you, and as you saw, that every time that we are breaking this massive resistance of on the daily time frame, Bitcoin is moving super bullish. So guys, you can clearly see that before a couple days we found rejection on that resistance. We came back on that area, and right now Bitcoin is looking that is gonna get for a retest for a second time, and that second time, guys, I believe that we're gonna break it, and I hope to a potential altcoin season. Okay, because I'm expecting, as I explained you yesterday, that Bitcoin could jump above the $30,000 area, and it can get straight to 33, 32, 35, even $37,000 area. But the most important part to that scenario is not the Bitcoin price by itself, is it because we're gonna see, guys, an altcoin season. We're gonna see altcoins into massive explosion, and here is a big trap that is gonna be created around this incredible pump. Is because, guys, that people will believe that this is the beginning of the bull run. They're gonna get FOMO and they're gonna invest heavily on this current situation. But we are, guys, we are still far away from the halving, and if we see in summer a potential altcoin season, guys, I believe that we're gonna see a crash approximately at the end of this year. So, as you understand, this could be a massive trap because I'm expecting that when the halving gonna come, we would be in an already crash situation. Okay, and then subsequently we're gonna start moving after halving in higher prices. So this is what's happening for the current situation. This is what I believe, and because nothing changed, we don't have so much things to speak. Dixie is at $104. We are waiting to see tomorrow what's going to happen. And guys, I would like to tell you, as you can read the title of the video, just with one Bitcoin, owning one Bitcoin, your life can be changed by 2025. And the reason of that is because, guys, if you, for example, you accumulate heavily on the bear market, and I will put a weekly time frame to show you what I mean. For example, if you are doing double jobs or you worked over hours and to actually with a goal to accumulate as many BTC, as many Satoshis as possible. And right now you are in a position that you accumulated on this bear market one Bitcoin with an average price, let's say $22,000, $21,000, $23,000. Guys, your life could be changed because in the next bull run, according to the current financial global crisis that we have, according to the current bank crisis that we have, crypto space is gonna have incredible adoption. And I believe, and that's a conservative, that Bitcoin will reach easy $200,000 in a price, $250,000 in a price, and that's a very conservative prediction. That's a minimum for me. We could potentially see, guys, Bitcoin over $300,000. Okay, for me, we could potentially see Bitcoin in 5 trillion super easy. In the previous bull run, we saw 1.2 trillion in the Bitcoin price without adoption, without absolutely nothing. We had also the COVID that created lots of fear. We were need so much cash back then because the COVID was an emergency situation globally. We were need cash because the jobs stopped, everything paused. So the cash wasn't so ready to go into the market, and we saw incredible pump. But on this time, guys, I believe that Bitcoin will fly because people distrust the bank system, start distrusting the matrix and all these things around that type of word. They distrust the banks, the governments, the politicians, everything. And here is the solution on the crypto space. A decentralization way to actually own your money. And this is why I believe that by just owning one BTC, even on 2025, your life can be changed. Okay, imagine your $20,000 investment on the bear market to see that $250,000, $300,000. Okay, it's incredible a lot. Okay, it's insane how big your initial investment could be in just 1 or 2 years. This is huge, guys. Okay, so I will suggest you to, obviously not financial advisor, but continue to DCA. I'm doing that as much as I can, doing DCA on those low prices. I'm expecting also a big crash, and I'm actually having some cash for that crash to get in very heavily. But also I'm buying on these prices, not something significant crazy, but I put some cash on the market because no matter if the price of Bitcoin is $20,000 or $25,000 or $27,000, when the Bitcoin price is gonna get up to $500,000, you won't even remember where you bought on those areas. Okay, those areas gonna look so tiny. So, guys, This is a video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question. And I would like to say here a big thank you to everyone who support me. We reached 3,000 subscribers, and I appreciate for all this help and support. A big thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I will see y'all in my next video. I'll do my next one. Your boy Chris out. Bye.